Hello, my name is Tzachi Shaked. I'm the General Manager of E3D, Elcam Drug Delivery Devices. At E3D, we are developing, manufacturing, supplying, and marketing drug delivery devices, such as mechanical auto-injectors, electromechanical auto-injectors, and wearable injectors. We have a big variety platform to serve different varieties of drug primary containers. The reason we selected Commit to do our software and hardware development is because we are not expert in this area. Israel is a crowded neighborhood of technologies, and we found Commit to be the best company that can help us to do this embedded software development. The product we have developed together with Commit is an electromechanical auto-injector, which is about to serve many people who have a rare disease all over the world. This auto-injector will be manufactured and delivered in tens of thousands every year to help people in need, and will support over 100 languages, will be delivered worldwide. Some of the challenges we faced together and technologies we needed to use include RFID technology, Bluetooth, and cybersecurity. I think this auto-injector is going to be one of the best that is in the market, if not the best of them. We are very proud of it, and I think Commit should be proud as well. Commit have the right skills and the right people to do that, and also they have the right ISO to support us with the medical device development. The project we have done with Commit was extremely complex. This project is now ended the design verification stage, which is a huge milestone for us, and it's a great and big achievement for both our companies. My team have echoed to me their satisfaction working with Commit. We have found professional people very much engaged, very much committed to the timelines, and sometimes even burning the midnight oil in order to make sure tasks will be completed on time. We are a very pleasant project together with Commit. If I would need to rate my overall satisfaction working with Commit, I would rate it very highly, due to the reason that I understand from my experience it's not trivial at all to find a subcontractor who's capable to perform and deliver such tasks on time. It's very complex, and their knowledge of embedded software is just fantastic, and I'm very pleased with the work with them.